Good day, everyone. Today, we are here in the heart of Palo, Leyte to visit one of the most important religious and historical landmarks in Eastern Visayas, the Palo Metropolitan Cathedral. This cathedral is not just a place of worship. It is a silent witness to faith, war, survival, and hope. Join us as we explore its beauty, history, and deep significance to the people of Leyte and the entire Philippines. The cathedral is located in Palo, Leyte, a town known for its rich history and strong Catholic faith. As you approach the church, you'll immediately notice its grand yet simple architecture. The tall facade, wide doors, and peaceful surroundings create a welcoming atmosphere for visitors and devotees alike. Many people come here not only to attend Mass, but also to reflect, pray, and feel a sense of peace away from the busy city life. The Palo Metropolitan Cathedral was established in the 16th century, making it one of the oldest churches in the region. Over the years, it has undergone several renovations due to natural disasters and wars. One of the most significant moments in its history happened during World War II. The cathedral and its surroundings played an important role during the liberation of Leyte. It served as a temporary refuge and a place of worship for soldiers and civilians. This church stood strong during difficult times, symbolizing the unbreakable faith of Filipino people. The architectural style of the cathedral reflects a blend of Spanish colonial influence and local Filipino craftsmanship. Notice the thick walls, wide windows, and high ceilings. These were designed to withstand time, weather, and even war. The simplicity of the design highlights humility, while its size represents the strength of faith. Every corner of this cathedral tells a story, from its stone walls to its carefully preserved structure. Once you step inside, the atmosphere immediately changes. It becomes quiet, calm, and deeply spiritual. The altar is the focal point, beautifully designed and well-maintained. The religious images, candles, and stained glass windows add to the solemn and sacred environment. Here you will see people praying silently, lighting candles, or simply sitting down to reflect. For many locals, this church is a place of comfort, especially during difficult times in their lives. Today, the Palo Metropolitan Cathedral continues to serve as a spiritual center for the community. It is the seat of the Archdiocese of Palo and plays a major role in religious celebrations, important events, and community gatherings. After natural disasters, such as typhoons, the cathedral has also become a symbol of hope and recovery. It reminds people that faith can help them stand again, no matter how strong the storm. This cathedral represents more than history. It represents faith passed on from generation to generation, resilience in times of hardship, and unity among the people of Leyte. It stands as a reminder that even through destruction and loss, hope always remains.